On this video, why can't there be any cleaning products that are natural, convenient, easy to use, that actually work and are safe, of course? Well, I think I found one that's lasted us for more than 3 years. I'm going to talk about that coming up next. Hey everyone, welcome to Rethink Health. My name is Daniel, and on this channel, it's all about teaching and promoting how you can eat and live that leads to a healthy, vibrant life for you and your family. If you're new here, please consider supporting Rethink Health by subscribing, sharing it with someone, going over to rethinkhealth.com and check out, there's tons of free content on there, free newsletter that you can sign up. So I think it's very important to be aware of the things that you have in your home that you use for cleaning or whatever that may have toxins in them, that may cause harm to your body, and you might not even know it. One thing that we need to be aware of is household cleaning products, like dish soap, hand soap, laundry detergent, all-purpose cleaners, floor cleaners, bleaches, Javex, CLRs, whatever you have lying around. I remember last year or a few years ago, we went through all our cleaning supplies and I threw a whole bunch of stuff that we really just never used, but we used to, and it's pretty crazy of all the things that have so much toxicity in them, so many chemicals that we do not want our bodies to have to deal with. So often I hear about people struggling with different health problems and symptoms. They go on for years with these, and then finally they find out that it's linked back to a toxic chemical in one of their cleaning products that our culture has accepted as a normal and safe product. But so many products in our homes are toxic and are killing our cells. This may manifest itself in different symptoms. Oftentimes these symptoms might not start until things are getting really bad, but underneath, inside the body, a lot is going on, and our body is just struggling to keep up. And it could be, for some, it could be these symptoms show up right away and your body starts to shut down, or maybe it takes years when you keep using these products and your body does a good job at controlling it. But our cells, because our body is always trying to get to homeostasis, which is its natural state. It's working to keep that natural state, and it works, and it does whatever it can and use up whatever stores it has inside to maintain that. Some bodies are greater than others at doing this. But we can only survive so long with a constant filling of toxins, which also create deficiencies. A lot of times I'm talking about deficiencies on this. On Rethink Health, I'm talking a lot about deficiencies because of the food we eat is not giving our body's cells what they need. But the other thing is toxins. Our bodies are very toxic because of the environment that we're putting them in. This video is not affiliated with anyone. It's not sponsored by anyone. It's just me giving my 2 cents worth on the product that we use and we love. So what does my family use? It is called the Pink Solution. Have you heard of it? This right here, this big bucket. One tub costs about $50. It comes with a guide, tells you how much to use to scoop out and mix with water for whatever cleaning needs you have. Whether laundry, kitchen, or bathrooms, it cleans it all. It does a great job. The primary thing we use it for is laundry detergent. We haven't bought laundry detergent in probably 4 years. Because we use this for our laundry detergent. It cleans the clothes well. The only thing that we notice is it doesn't have really much of a smell. If you like your clothes to smell real nice, they smell clean, but they don't have like a smell of whatever you like, right? So what we do is we have a jar of cloths that are soaked in water and essential oils, whatever essential oil we want for the smell, and we just put that in the dryer, and it gives it a good scent. So like I said, a family of now 6 of us, we do laundry, seems like every day, and it's going on, I think, 4 years, and we still have a quarter of the tub left. Pretty efficient, pretty cost effective, I'd say. So what is in it? So there's 5 natural, sustainable ingredients from the earth in it. Cleaning doesn't need to be complicated. We don't need products with harsh chemicals and tons of ingredients to make a good cleaning product. For centuries, since the beginning of time, people have used things from the earth naturally. It's only been in the last 100 or 200 years that we have used more harsh synthetic chemicals that are harming our body. Simple, natural ingredients. So here are the 5 ingredients. The first one, coconut oil. From coconuts, obviously.
Sodium alginate or alginate, whatever, is just another name for brown algae or seaweed found in the colder regions of the seas. It's used as like a thickening agent and a stabilizer in food, like tomato products, yogurts, breads, creams, cheeses. You'll find them in things like that. So sodium carbonate. It's a natural salt from minerals such as trona. I had never heard of that before. Natron, if I'm pronouncing it right. These minerals, so it comes from them, which is also known as washing soda and is a form of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, a form of it. It's fairly similar than baking soda, but stronger and used for cleaning greases and stains. So very alkaline solution, which is interesting and is stronger when mixed with water. A lot of our diet, of our lifestyle, is very acidic. So to have some alkalizing agents, really good. Next one, sodium silicate. Sodium silicate or silicate. So it's a mixture of pure sand and sodium carbonate, which is non-toxic and obviously natural and eco-friendly, and a really good cleaning agent. Sodium tallowate. I don't really like this one. It's in there. I'm sure they could have used something else, but it's from coconut plant oils or animal fat, used for over thousands of years to clean clothes. Hypoallergenic. I can't remember now, but I think I found some negative reviews on it. But anyways, I don't know. I think maybe in high volumes it might be toxic for the body, but anyways, it's not going to be high volume in this. And they have many other products than the tub. You can get specific cleaners for specific things, but this tub, you can do everything in the house with it. So I think it's the most affordable way. So it's a safe, natural, convenient, and affordable option. I'll put a link in the show notes below for you to look at that online. They also come, once a year. They come in Costco. That's where we got ours. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you soon.